Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of our number of the day. I'm going to be totally ominous. I am re-recording this because after Mrs. Erlinson and I chatted on Monday, which was yesterday, I figured out I had taught it wrong. So I'm going back and reteaching it. So that's why I don't have my bunny ears because they're in my daughter's room right now. But yeah, so you're getting the fresh, correct information. So just keep that in mind as you watch the next 3 days of videos that I'm changing the place value. So when you look at the other videos, it's going to have how I taught it before, and that's wrong. So my apologies, but hey, I'm learning. Okay, so we're going to be doing the place value portion of our number of the day mat. The easiest place to start is in the ones place value. So remember, the ones place value is the place value that is closest to the decimal point, okay? And then to the left of it is the tens place value, and then the hundreds place value, and then the thousands place value, and it goes on after that. Okay, so you'll only be working with numbers up into the hundreds and thousands. So I'm going to start with that ones place value. So the ones place value in this number is 8. And so I'm going to just click in this box, and I have 8 ones. So I'm going to click 8. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to look at the place value of the 4 here, and that is the tens place value. So I'm going to say that I have 4 tens. I don't want to say that I have 40, which is what I did before, because then it's saying I have 40 tens, which would be 400. And I don't have 400. I have 40. So 4 times 10 is how I like to think of it. Okay, then I'm going to go to my hundreds place value, and there are 8 hundreds in the hundreds place value. So I have 8 there. Okay, so now I'm multiplying 8 times 100, and that would give me 800. But I have 8 hundreds if I stacked them up on a mat. My last place value is 4, and so I have, in the thousands place, I have 4 thousands. So I'm going to put 4 there, okay? So if I were to multiply this 4 times 1,000, I would end up with 4,000. All right, so that is your fixed place value for today. Now, like I said, in the next 3 videos, because I recorded them last week, you're going to see this the way I had taught it, which was wrong. So really, you need to just tell me how many of each place value you have. So I had 4 thousands, I had 8 hundreds, I had 4 tens, and I had 8 ones. When you get down to expanded form, then you just multiply, and I kind of talk about that in that video. And if you have questions after you watch the expanded form video, you can always let me know. All right, thank you for listening, and thanks for understanding that I make mistakes too, and hopefully I didn't confuse you too much. All right, take care. Bye.